Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss some important MCQ questions based on the previous year question paper patterns, and the topic is 5 kingdom classification. So the first question is, who proposed the 5 kingdom classification of organism? যে জীবদের যে পঞ্চরাজ্য শ্রেণীবিন্যাসটা কে প্রস্তাব করেছিলেন? হুইটেকার, লিনিয়াস, হেকেল, এরিস্টটল. The 5 kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. That was mainly based on the cell structure, mode of nutrition, then reproduction. These are the basic features that were considered during this classification. Which among the following is a prokaryotic? নিচের কোনটা prokaryotic জীব? Euglena, Mycoplasma, Paramecium, yeast. So among them, Mycoplasma is a prokaryotic that belongs to the kingdom Monera. Which of the following kingdoms includes unicellular eukaryotic organism? নিচের কোন রাজ্যের মধ্যে এককোষী ইউক্যারিওটিক জীব অন্তর্ভুক্ত? Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi. So the kingdom Protista that includes unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Which among the following is a connecting link between plants and animals? নিচের কোনটা উদ্ভিদ ও প্রাণীর মধ্যে সংযোগ রক্ষাকারী জীব? Chlamydomonas, Euglena, Volvox, Penicillium. So among them, Euglena is considered to be the connecting link between plant and animals because it has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Lichens are symbiotic association of. Lichens যে সহবাসের উদাহরণ যেখানে কি থাকে? Algae and bacteria, algae and fungi, fungi and protozoa, bacteria and fungi. So lichen basically is the association between algae and fungi. Algal part is known as phycobiont and the fungal part is known as mycobiont. Which of the following is a decomposer? এর মধ্যে ডিকম্পোজারের বা পচনকারী জীব কোনটা? Fungi, cyanobacteria, protozoa, virus. So among them, fungi is considered as decomposers. Which among the following lacks cell wall? নিচের কোনটার মধ্যে কোষপ্রাচীর থাকে না? Bacteria, Mycoplasma, fungi, algae. So among them, Mycoplasma that does not contain cell wall. The main cell wall composition of fungi is যে ছত্রাকের যে কোষপ্রাচীরের প্রধান উপাদান কোনটা? সেলুলোজ, pectin, chitin, lignin. The fungal cell wall is mainly made up of chitin. Which of the following organisms perform both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition? এর মধ্যে কোনটার মধ্যে স্বপুষী এবং পরপুষী উভয় ধরনের পুষ্টি দেখা যায়? Chlamydomonas, Euglena, Amoeba, Paramecium. So among them, Euglena that exhibits both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Kingdom Monera includes the Monera রাজ্যে অন্তর্ভুক্ত জীব কোনটা? Bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa. The Monera that includes bacteria, prokaryotic organisms. Which of the following organisms reproduce by binary fission? নিচের কোনটা বাইনারি ফিশনের মাধ্যমে রিপ্রোডাকশন দেখায়? Rhizophus, Paramecium, Amoeba, yeast. So the organism Amoeba that reproduces by binary fission. The blue-green algae are eukaryotic, prokaryotic, fungal, protozoan. The blue-green algae are prokaryotic. that belongs to the kingdom Monera. Which of the following shows both sexual and asexual reproduction? এর মধ্যে কোনটার মধ্যে যৌন এবং অযৌন উভয় ধরনের জনন দেখা যায়? Mucor, yeast, penicillium, all the same. So among them, all of them exhibits both unisexual, sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. Slime molds are included in which kingdom? Slime molds কোন কিংডমের মধ্যে অন্তর্ভুক্ত? Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae. The slime molds are fungus like protist that included in the Protista. Which of the following has peptidoglycan in its cell wall? এর মধ্যে peptidoglycan দ্বারা কার কোষ প্রাচীর তৈরি হয়? Fungi, algae, bacteria, virus. So the bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. The mode of nutrition in fungi is ছত্রাকের যে পুষ্টির ধরনটা কি? Autotrophic, heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasitic only, or autotrophic and parasitic? The mode of nutrition in fungi is heterotrophic, saprophytic. Archaebacteria are characterized by Archaebacteria প্রধান বৈশিষ্ট্য কি? Presence of peptidoglycan, extreme habitat tolerance, lack of DNA, presence of chloroplast. Archaebacteria basically that are capable of tolerating extreme habitat conditions like extreme hot, salt tolerance, acidic environment like this. Mycorrhiza represents association between the mycorrhiza কোন দুই জীবের মধ্যে সহবাস? Algae and fungi and root of higher plants, bacteria and roots, algae and roots. Mycorrhiza basically is a association between fungi and the root of higher plants. Yeast belongs to যেটা কোন রাজ্যের অন্তর্ভুক্ত? Protista, fungi, Plantae, Monera. Yeast belongs to fungi. Which of the following fungi is used in alcohol production? Alcohol উৎপাদনের জন্য ব্যবহৃত ছত্রাক কোনটা? Rhizophus, yeast, Aspergillus, Penicillium. For the production of alcohol, yeast is extensively used for anaerobic fermentation. Which of the following lacks a true nucleus? এর মধ্যে থেকে কোনটার মধ্যে প্রকৃত নিউক্লিয়াস থাকে না? Bacteria, protist, fungi, algae. So among them, bacteria does not have a true nucleus. The DNA is freely lies in the cytoplasm. The first living organism on earth were? পৃথিবীর মধ্যে প্রথম জীবিত প্রাণী কোনটা ছিল? Algae, fungi, bacteria, protozoa. So among them, bacteria were considered to be the first living organism that existed on earth. Which fungus is used to produce antibiotic penicillin? এর মধ্যে থেকে অ্যান্টিবায়োটিক পেনিসিলিন উৎপাদনের জন্য ব্যবহৃত ছত্রাক কোনটা? Rhizophus, Penicillium notatum, Aspergillus, yeast. The Penicillium notatum is used for the production of antibiotic penicillin. The body of multicellular fungi is composed of? যে বহুকোষী ছত্রাকের দেহ গঠিত হয় কিভাবে? Hyphae দ্বারা, thallus, rhizoids or filaments. The multicellular fungal body is made up of hyphae. Lichens are considered good indicator of? Lichens কে পরিবেশের কোন নির্দেশক হিসাবে কনসিডার করা হয়? Water pollution, air pollution, soil fertility, light intensity. Lichens are considered a good indicator of air pollution, mainly SO2, sulfur dioxide. So with that we came to end of this MCQ solving session. So we will continue to solve similar MCQ questions based on the previous year question paper patterns. So do stay tuned for similar video updates and do subscribe to this channel for notification, and do not forget to like and share. Thank you all.